In this lesson, we're going to talk about evaluating logs using the change of base formula. So we know that log base 2 of 16 is equal to 4 because 2 to the 4th power is 16. But let's say if you don't know that. Here's how you can use the change of base formula to get the same answer. But here's the formula. Log base A of B is equal to log of B divided by log of A. And the reason why it's called the change of base formula is because you can change the base. Originally, the base is A, but you can make it into any new base. We'll call it C. C could be 5, 8, 12. As long as these two are the same, it doesn't really matter what C is. The equation will work. So log base 2 of 16, you can type it in your calculator as log 16 divided by log 2. Now when you type it in your calculator like this, it's automatically going to make it base 10. So regardless of whatever the new base is, you'll still get the right answer. So go ahead and type that in, log 16 divided by log 2, and you'll see that it's equal to 4. Try these two examples. Use the change of base formula to evaluate the two logs. So let's divide log 243 by log 3. The calculator will give you 5. And it makes sense because 3 to the 5th power is 243. Next we have log of 343 divided by log 7. And this is equal to 3. So that's how you can use the change of base formula in order to evaluate logs.